or Love from Lizi, excuse me. And I'm starting out by showing you this handwritten note. Well, she wrote at the bottom, but I thought it was really cute and really nice that she sent a little personal message saying thank you for your purchase. And I've seen in many videos people who use the kits, show the kits on YouTube that they use these peel offs. And she has them in like every color, every, I guess it would be more like the, what's the word I'm looking for? Like you have the shiny, the foil, the glitter, the matte. I only got a few. But on that particular weekend, she was offering the you didn't have to pay for shipping. And since Love from Lizi is in England, it was really a great time to, purchase if you were here in the States. So I'm just going through showing you all the different peel offs that I got from that weekend. I got a lot of the same colors, either in the foil or the glitter. And then uh, I did get one that was a different pattern because most of these are all just straight thin lines, and they're I think it's three different sizes on each one. You get like a super thin, a medium up from there, and then the larger ones, if I'm not mistaken. Trying to kind of look at one. The glitter ones, they all kind of look the same. You can kind of see it better um, in the foil or the matte versions. Now this one has a little bit of a pattern on the peel off, and I like those, but what I was really trying to build up was just a straight line because I've seen that used more often. And so I took the greenish, like the green apple color, and I'm just showing you, you just lay it down. It can give accents to a card. I was showing this one I did in a previous video, and I wanted to show you what you could do with it. So I'm grabbing the thinnest of the pattern peel off, and I'm putting one on the top and one on the bottom of the gold foil that's going down the middle. And I did kind of tear it when I was taking it apart. Um, so, you just got to be mindful. Some of the thinner pieces, um, it it's very easy to kind of tear it by accident. But I find cutting it with the scissors, laying it down as far as you can, and then just snipping it with the scissors does work. And from what I can tell, because I did just use them on a project, they seem to be holding up really well once you stick them down. They're not peeling back up. So that was showing you a close-up of that double-sided there. And then at the end here, I'm just showing you all the colors laid out up close. Like I said, this was just a small haul. I just wanted to share with you what I was able to get on that particular weekend. So thank you guys for joining me. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and definitely you can leave comments down below. And I will try and make sure that there's a link down to the Lizi shop, so that way if you guys are interested, you can take a look there. All right, thank you guys. Have a great day.